Yalla, go, Zico, go.
You done? Okay, I'm done.
Yalla, Yusuf, go.
Oh man. Wait, watch out.
Oh, good. You're turning. Turn.
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 No, Yusuf, just turn the wheel.
Yusuf,
You don't have to
so while you're sitting, you turn.
Yusuf, you use this to
Dude,
turn.
this can record forever.
The phone. It already comes with the memory card.
Yola, Zico. Yusuf, go to Zico. Turn your wheel.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought.
Yalla, turn.
Good boy.
Dude, how does he still not? I thought he knew how to turn.
Yalla,
The
Yusuf.
car, Jimmy. The wash car.
Here,
Car wash, Yusuf. You gotta take the car to the car wash.
Yalla, let's leave it. Yalla. Ayman, good boy. Yalla, turn.
What are you doing, Zico?
No. Sit down. I'll show you how. Sit down. Yusuf, sit down. And turn like this.
Why doesn't he have a big one?
You have to sit down.
Alright, Yusuf, turn this time.
Turn.
Watch out.
Watch your brother's foot.
His concept of turning is left, right, left, right, left, right. That's it.
Yeah, but you have to turn to miss stuff.
Avoid the obstacle.
But he stopped the rat go stop.
Nobody understands the way.
We have to take